If you work in adolescent health or education, you have likely spent hours drafting program rules, attendance policies, or behavioral guidelines, only to watch teenagers completely ignore them. This resistance is rarely a calculated act of rebellion. It is the direct result of a brain undergoing active neurological construction. By the end of this video, we are going to take one of your failing policies and redesign it step by step using applied neuroscience. Step 1. Retrieve the specific policy you want to fix and download the blank brain-aligned blueprint template linked in the video description below. To build a framework that actually works, we have to stop expecting adult impulse control and start designing for the adolescent neurology that is actually in the room. Start by writing down your current rule and its ultimate goal in the audit section of your blueprint. For example, let's say you operate a 3 strikes and you're out attendance policy. The goal is to encourage consistent participation, but the mechanism you are using relies entirely on the threat of future punishment. This simplified cross-section illustrates the maturity gap and unevenness in brain development. The bright orange limbic system processes emotion and immediate reward and is highly active in teenagers. The dim yellow prefrontal cortex, which handles long-term planning, matures much slower, finishing in the mid-20s. Write maturity gap at the top of your blueprint. Keep it visible as a reminder of this biological imbalance as you draft your revisions. If your policy relies on a teenager fearing a consequence that happens 3 weeks from now, it is demanding a level of executive function they do not consistently possess. A brain optimized for immediate rewards will systematically struggle with long-term threats. Now that we see the biological baseline, we can build a structure that satisfies their reward-seeking behavior rather than trying to suppress it. In this diagram of the striatum, adolescent dopamine pathways create an intense sensitivity to immediate social feedback. An end-of-year certificate barely registers here, but a quick, peer-visible acknowledgement given after a positive action triggers a strong biological response. Move to the promise protocol section on your blueprint. Draft a new mechanism that replaces a delayed reward with a small, immediate social benefit for compliance. For example, instead of requiring 5 completed sessions to earn a single credit, give direct positive feedback or a minor privilege immediately after every check-in. When you align the rules of your program with their active dopamine pathways, you turn adolescent thrill-seeking from a behavioral problem into a reliable engine for program engagement. Next, we have to address rule-breaking. Punishing a teenager for a simple biological memory lapse or a momentary impulsive decision is ineffective. This close-up shows Somato-Gestational in the prefrontal cortex. These fragile neural connections are still forming. Their executive function is under construction. They require structural scaffolding built into the policy, mechanisms that catch predictable mistakes early, before they escalate into failure. Go to the guardrails section of your blueprint. Write down one specific structural support mechanism to intercept an error before enforcing a penalty. Returning to our attendance example, you could swap the rigid 3 strikes rule for an automated SMS reminder sent an hour before a session, paired with a no-penalty grace period for their first 2 missed check-ins. Think of this guardrail as an external prefrontal cortex. The system absorbs the friction of their daily mistakes, giving their brain the time it needs to build the internal wiring to handle those choices independently. Take a final look at your completed blueprint document. On the left, the standard punitive approach demands skills adolescents lack. On the right, your new framework supports their current developmental stage. The finished policy plans for impulsivity and intercepts it with structured support. It identifies their high sensitivity to reward and channels it directly into consistent engagement. Present this one-page blueprint to your team or your stakeholders. It provides a clear, scientifically backed justification for an immediate policy overhaul. Sustainable success in adolescent health and education requires designing systems that work in tandem with human biology, rather than attempting to penalize it.